Kaya ako dyan yung huna-hunaon kaya I'm really impressed. So additional 25,000 for if you want a toilet installed. So the price actually, this is just exhibit price, based on the 180,000 regular pricing. So with the price of 25,000, you can have additional toilet on top of the 180,000, and they will install it in your place. And I just heard that you don't need a OBO permit for this kind of housing. So this house is 160,000.
Yes, ma'am. Exhibit price lang until Saturday.
Exhibit price. What's the regular price?
180.
180. So this is already including the.
Yes, ma'am. Ito, pasok po kayo.
Okay. So this is like a container house.
Yes, ma'am. Ito, nakisa po lahat. Mayroon ng electrical, circuit breaker, switch, dalawang outlets.
Okay, with windows also.
Yes, ma'am. Two sliding windows. Then yung flooring.
Okay, but you can see that the flooring is already ready, and even it's already insulated.
Yes, ma'am. Wall styling GPS.
This is the size of a 20-footer container.
Yes.
So
Yung length niya is 6 meters, 2.4 yung width, 2.6 yung height.
so you can see this is quite a good buy if you get it from the price. It's already installed.
Yes, ma'am.
This container this is the smart house. Okay, that's the contact number.
Ma'am, nandun yung sa pamphlets po. Nandun yung contact.
Oh, kani?
Ma'am.
You're John?
Romel.
Okay.
Binigyan ka pala niya,
Okay. So this is the sample of the container that they sell for 180,000 pesos.
Yes po.
Already including the installation and electrical ready. It's a pre-built. See, you can see the windows is already installed, and the door, and it's electric ready. The ceiling and the floor is already connected. Even the lights.
Yes po.
So even the lights is included. So that's a good price.